Good morning, guys. How are we doing? Guys, if you are not excited about this drop that's happening in the market, chances are you are not trading on the right side of the market with smart money, wells, and institutions, okay? I'm going to try to be graceful about this because I know a lot of people are losing money, but we are literally getting picked up in trades here, and we just won another trade on the markets over here. We just went 68 for 68. Our goal was 65 for 65 by the end of October, and so I'm going to try to push this to 70 for 70, and this was on Matic. This was not a small little trade we just won here, so let me show this to you guys. Actually, on Matic, and I promise I'll jump into 88 here, but I wanted to keep you guys updated. I ended up, we had an entry over here at $1.65. I ended up calling a 50% exit, and I just called a 100% exit up here. What we're seeing right now is a little bit of divergence where money flow is coming out of the market. We're also seeing the trend exhaustion move down while this is trying to push a higher high formation. I exited 100%. That was a 12.34% profit on your first buy limit here on 50%, and the other one we took an exit here. So you guys are doing fantastic in the market. Okay, let's go over 88 today, and I promise you guys, if you want to know how to take all of our trades, I will show you exactly how to get into all of our trades so you don't miss another setup. The point of this video today is let's celebrate because cryptocurrency is going down, and I'll explain this to you guys. Now, 88 did kind of a fake out. I'll be honest, guys, I wasn't necessarily expecting this too much on the charts. I was looking for more of a move up, but as I say here, where the markets kind of, where they don't do what we think they're going to do, we are still perfectly fine. And I actually get more excited because we get more money into the market. Follow me here. This video, if you understand this video I do, you will understand why we're winning so many trades. So I'm going to go slower, so please follow along. Here's the entry. I'm literally in this trade right now. Yes, the market's going down here and we're dropping down in price. So I want to keep things transparent. We were at 364 yesterday. We are definitely down probably in 100 something, 21,000 something. 20,143. Great. I wanted to show you guys I'm putting my money where my mouth is. I'm trading with you guys. I am in this exact, I'm in this exact trade here where we took the buy limit here on October 3rd. I've already exited 25% here at 230, and that was for about 5.4% profit in the market. And let me get up here. 5.42, I think was actually the exact call. Okay. What's happening here is I was expecting to see, possibly a move up because of all the long trades I got in the market, and I'll show that to you guys. But what actually happened here? Why such a fast crash? I'll explain to you guys why this happens, and it's actually very simple once you understand this. What happened here is this happened. Let's go over to 88 real quick, and I'm going to combine this whole video together. All the metrics and everything are going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, so make sure you guys watch this. Okay. Long trades were drastically increasing. I literally just covered this yesterday on the YouTube channel. Long trades are increasing drastically. This was also the same formation we ended up seeing on Solana, the symmetrical triangle pattern here and here. We saw it on 88. We saw it here and here, looking for that move up. It did not happen. So what happened in here is everybody who went long, if they are not trading with me on our channel here and they don't have their membership and they're not following me in Telegram, they are all in some serious losses right now because they most likely market ordered into all these positions here, and people are in some drastic drawdown right now, and they're very frustrated because they entered in up here and they're currently down their position 12.73%. All right. We have 4 buy limits in this trade here. Guys, we haven't even gotten, the price literally has to go all the way back down here below 51 cents for us to lose the trade. It's going to be so hard to lose because we use such good risk management. And a lot of you guys are like, Travis, these buy limits are never going to get hit. And I'm like, I'm not trying to be rude here. You guys probably joined the channel within the last month where everything's going up. You haven't traded a bear market cycle. I have had my 3rd buy limit hit and almost my 4th one while I'm on vacation with my wife. I've had an Ethereum short trade hit the 4th buy limit. So this is why I'm in here. Why am I excited? Now follow me here. Let's say, for example, I'll show you guys. I put $2,500 into this buy limit. I put another $2,500 here, and I put another $2,500 into each of these buy limits, okay? What's going to happen here is that at the moment, we're currently down 9.98% on the first buy limit. I hope this market, I know this sounds terrible, but I hope this market crashes down here and it hits our second buy limit, because we will not only have more money into the trade, but our entry is not going to stay at 218. It's going to come down here and it's going to be 218 plus 168 divided by 2. Our break-even entry is going to be right here on the chart. It's going to move in half. So as the springboard action takes place with demand, we have more money in the market, and we're going to make more money than we were before once we're in the profit. I promise you guys, this is the best way possible to ever trade cryptocurrency, because when the price goes against you, you get excited because more money gets into the market. If it goes in your favor, great, you just make money. Celebrate. Awesome. Cool, you made money. But when it goes against you, there's not an emotion in the market that can make you frustrated anymore. Do you guys understand this? Like, once I started taking emotion out by having a good risk management strategy, I don't care if this market crashes. While a lot of people are mad and they're frustrated because the market crashed and it didn't go up, we're celebrating over here because we're going to get more money into the market. Okay, watch this. Trend exhaustion, price versus well money flow. This was move up in the top section here. We also saw the price versus well money flow. The green line's the money flow here, heading up in these top sections, looking for this drop back down. Okay, we push down into the bottom red section now. This is where I am looking to see a little bit of retracement, and we've already seen that. Low prices down here. I thought we were going to get a better bounce at $2, but we ended up breaking all the way down here, and we ended up hitting this basically $1.84, and we're moving back up. Trend exhaustion is helping us call this. If we look in the past here of what's happened, we saw consolidation, and then it had to move back up in the market. We saw this down here. We had this little double bottom here. This is consolidation. We moved back up in the market. Do you guys follow me here? We moved down to the bottom red zone. What happened? We saw a move back up in the market. Previous time before that, we saw this move down here and we started moving back up. Okay, what I'm trying to show to you guys, and I'm going to even show this to you because we're looking for this move. It had to take a pit stop and it couldn't go any further. Like, yes, it could have just dropped, but it actually had to move back up for the indicator. It's crazy, guys. What you need to be watching for on these two indicators to come is this. When we push to the bottom sections here with the well money flow in green, money flow is really low, as well as the trend exhaustion is low, this is where we see jumps in the market. So everybody who ended up getting into this trade, you guys actually got in at the buy limit yesterday of $2.06. That's where the buy limit was set up. So you guys actually have a far better entry than what I personally have in the market right now. So we're going to watch this. I am looking for a little bit of retracement back up here. And where? I think we're probably going to try to come to the ascending resistance. This is a move up here, so this is an ascending resistance line right here. Watch that, because those of you guys who are in trades, the next time the trend exhaustion pushes to the top red section up here, this is where I am looking for moves back down. Why? Let me prove it to you. You guys need to get these indicators on your chart. I'm just telling you guys, you have 4 days left and the price of this is going to go up. You have 4 days left, okay, guys? The trend exhaustion is also going to go up in price. So I want you guys to get these on your chart so you don't miss this. This is how we call drops and tops in the market, and this is where we are making our money and how we haven't lost. Look at the top red section here, guys. When we push up here, we are seeing moves back down in the market. If it does happen to go higher where you have a high and another higher high, and you guys see the flow of money moving out as well as the trend exhaustion moving down, you need to not FOMO into that. I'm trying to be a little bit stronger on this video, but when you guys see price action move up and the flow of money is moving out of the market, there is nothing to sustain that move up. It's just random retail trader movement, and the big boys are taking their money out of the market. Money's flowing out, and this is a precursor, a prophecy for a drop. Okay, when this pushes up in the top red section, you are not supposed to be FOMOing in. Why? Because we see moves back down. Do you FOMO into this move up? No, because we see moves back down. Do you FOMO in here? No, because it calls moves back down. I just showed you guys how it calls moves up. This is how it calls moves back down. You guys need to get these on your charts. I'm sorry if I'm like trying to push this a little strong, but I'm serious. Like, I've done about 35 hours of trading on here. I've been featured on the front page of TradingView.com 4 times this year alone for technical analysis. I'm telling you, these are the 3 best indicators to get. Let me prove this to you again now, and I promise I'll go over the metrics. Again, if you understand this video, you'll understand how we're not losing trades. Watch this. As the whole market, a lot of retail traders have all their indicators, the standard ones, RSI, stochastic, and MACD. Guys, you will never see me have an RSI, stochastic, or MACD on the chart, ever, or moving averages. Why? Because this is what retail traders use, and we always trade against them. These are the indicators you want. Because as these are telling you that the price is going down and you're selling because you're all following momentum, and people are clearly selling in the market here, we are coming in here and we are buying the market up. We are buying the market. Like, look at this. Everyone is selling in here because all their retail trader indicators are like, okay, all the standard indicators, they're bearish. What are they doing? They're selling. We're buying and we're in the profit while everybody else is holding the bag right now. I'm like, seriously, guys, and this is on almost every single one of the coins we have in here. And if we're not buying right now, we are being patient for buy limits to get hit, like for Bitcoin, and we're waiting, not selling in the market. We are buying when all the retail traders are selling, and we are selling when all the retail traders are buying. That's how whales and institutions create the liquidity to get their money out. They have to trade against retail traders. Okay, let's do this. Let's go over right now, and we're going to look at the actual metrics for ADA because I want to show this to you guys. We push down into the anxious section, and then we push back up into neutral. Now, this was kind of a fake out. What I believe happened was everyone who went long in here with all, let's just move down to this section. Everyone who went long, they most likely had their stop losses here or they had their stop losses here. I know this because I've actually taught this, and this is standard. Structure low for stop losses for long trades. Once your stop loss gets hit, what happens? You put selling pressure in the market. selling pressure in the market. But then what happens once you hit your stop loss? People say, oh no, I just hit my stop loss and I've lost the trade and it's going down fast. I will flip to a short trade to try to catch this as it goes down. Dumbest thing you guys can do. I'm not trying to be rude here, but it seriously is. They flip their trade and try to push the price down further, okay? You're trying to catch a falling knife, and what happens is you get into these prices down here and you say, oh, I'm so excited, and here's what you do. You hold the trade because you're trying to make up for the loss you just experienced on the long trade. And then what's happening is it rebounds back up because you are not trading with smart money. Smart money is buying the dip and they're being patient. The reason why you're not trading with smart money is because you're impatient and you're FOMOing. I'm just trying to be honest, guys, and prove to you that I hope you can trust these little bit stronger words, because I have a track record here of not losing a single trade on crypto ever on this channel, okay? I don't know another YouTube channel doing this. The reason for this is because I understand how retail traders are trading here, and I've worked with hedge funds in the past, and we are all patient for the retail traders to end up selling in here and we buy in the market. Okay, give me like 2 more minutes here and I'll show you guys how to set up these next trades so you do not miss another trade. I promise that. I'm going to skip over this real quick, but basically I was looking for a push up in here to good short trades versus long trades. We hit that before we saw the drop. Very interesting that actually called that out there. Okay. Looking here, we saw yesterday that we were seeing this flip-flop move back and forth. We saw moves up here. We saw accumulation of long. We saw accumulation of short. A lot of indecision was in the market here looking for these longs here. What I'm expecting today is with this drop back down, you're going to see the wells and institutions start accumulating long trades again. Why? Because they are buying the discount. They are not selling into the market like retail traders are doing by covering their positions because the market's going down. These guys and us, we are not looking at retail trader indicators. The only reason why I have this up here is this kind of sounds funny, but kind of to spy on the retail traders so I can trade absolutely against them. I'm serious, guys. That's how we make our money. We trade against retail traders. Watch this. Support and resistance prices in the market here. If we start moving down, where are we going to head? Well, this was updated yesterday, and we have about 23 more minutes exactly for this is going to update. I'm looking at the structure down here of $2. Well, take a look at where $2 was. $2 was up here. We have completely broken down here and we're at the bottom structure. So we actually need to come over here on the chart and say where in the world is the next structure for a move back down. For ADA, guys, this is the strongest structure on the chart, and it correlates to this move over here. We see a structure there, we see a structure here, we see structure, and we see structure. It is right where we ended up stopping if you guys draw a line across here and we're moving back up. It's about that 198 level. Now, I have this next one in here right around this level of 168. I want us to be watching that because that's where our next, for me, that's where the next buy limit is. Most of you guys are already in here. Okay. Let me get straight into how you guys can get into this trade right now, and I'll teach this to you guys. Entries, great. You guys can take these and throw $1,000 in the market every time you get that. This is going to call exit points, looking for places where the market could drop back down. Yes, that was a great call. This was a great call as well. This was a fantastic call as well. If it doesn't drop immediately after this, it's okay. We're just looking to take 25 to 50%. Now, let me get to where you guys are really waiting for in here, and you guys are like, let's make some money. I don't blame you. Literally, this should be about $400 to $500 a month, and yes, I am going to update the price of this. I don't know exactly when, but right now it is $49 a month. For everyone who gets in this, I will grandfather you guys in and will not raise the prices on you. I want to do that to honor you guys, okay? So make sure you guys get your membership. That will unlock all the metrics. Here's what you guys need to be doing, though, to follow me on the next trade setups. This is so stinking simple. Choose any of these coins that you see. Here's a better way of viewing it. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, ADA, VET, Matic, XRP, Solana, Link, DOT. I know there's other coins, guys. You can make a ton of money with these coins. Just focus on the ones here and you'll do great. I promise. Okay. Click into any of these, and this is what you're going to see. I'm going to make this fast. All you guys need to do is at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, check these chart updates. This currently says 10:26. Why? Because that's not 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Once 8 o'clock comes around Pacific Standard Time, this will say 10:27. This will prove to you guys all the buy limits have officially been updated for today. What you're going to do is you're going to simply just take, let's say, if you have $4,000, you're going to come in here, and you guys are going to place a buy limit at each of these levels. Okay, let me say this again. $1,000, a buy limit. So 1,000 divided by 4 is 250. 250, 250, 250, 250. You're going to place your buy limits, and then you're just going to set a sell limit up here at the first yellow line. That is literally going to put all of your trades in the market. Once you do that, guys, come over here and follow me in the Telegram channel where I'm over here looking to call exits. Like, I am so active in here. I'm sorry I blew this up for you guys. I called 3 Matic exits in a row here because I wanted you guys to take some profit in here, and you guys took a total of 12.34% this morning. Literally, and within 24 hours, you guys made 12.34% on 50% of that first buy limit, okay? Once you do this, guys, make sure you're coming over here and you're getting the indicators. I am upping the price of the trend exhaustion in 4 days. That's it. The trend dashboard is going up before the end of the year. The trend dashboard is also going to, the trend exhaustion is also going to go up. The bundle pack is the best deal possible because this is 81% off. You guys see it literally is 60% off here. If you guys get the bundle pack, this is actually going to go up in percentage. Why? Because I'm going to keep this the same and I'm going to be upping the price of this. So this is actually going to increase to probably 82 or 83% as these go up. Okay, so you always want to be getting the bundle pack because this is one price you guys pay and these are going to increase. You will get appreciating value. If you get these here and then you go to the bundle pack, it just doesn't make sense. If you guys want the long-term longevity, I'll make this fast because I don't want to turn this into a sales video. Get the bundle pack because this will always, you'll have appreciating value in this consistently because I'm upping the prices of all these. At minimum, price for swell money flow, trend dashboard, and trend exhaustion is what you guys want to get. That's in the description. So guys, we're seeing ADA push back here a little bit to the upside. I am so excited. I hope the market keeps crashing so we can get more money into this trade here, into our other trades. Make sure you guys are setting up your buy limits. Make sure you guys get the indicators. This is how we're calling the tops and the bottoms in the market against the retail traders. Watch the retail traders, spy on them guys by getting the trend dashboard. Set that up today. You have 4 days left before that goes up. Get your membership before that goes up as well. And I will see you guys in the next video. God bless you guys so much. Have an amazing, amazing day. I'm going to try to go 70 for 70 wins and I'll keep you guys updated. Get the indicators, get your guys' metrics, get this trade set up, and make sure you guys are following me on the Telegram channel so you guys don't miss any updates. God bless you guys. I'll see you later. Let's make some more profits. Bye, guys.